We're here at 10 o'clock at night after hours at WODapalooza with no lights on, so I apologize about the audio. I apologize about the lighting. I just wanted you to be the first to be able to see everything you need to see on this brand new Ice Barrel 500. We're here backstage and after hours at WODapalooza in Miami, Florida, where Ice Barrel just shocked me and they debuted the brand new Ice Barrel 500. So you've seen the 400 and the 300. Now they have a 500, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about it and the entire Ice Barrel lineup. Let's go check them out. So if you're new to Ice Barrel and you don't know what any of these are, this is the Ice Barrel 400. It's the original Ice Barrel. It is not insulated and it is not chiller ready. However, I've helped hundreds of people all over the world take their ice barrels and convert them using a chiller, which is really, really cool. So the Ice Barrel 400 is near and dear to my heart. It was one of my first cold plunge loves, and it's absolutely gonna remain one of my favorites. But then they debuted the Ice Barrel 300. The Ice Barrel 300 was a game changer. As you can tell, the Ice Barrel 300 is much shorter, but it's wider. It is perfectly round. It is insulated. It is chiller ready. And this thing is an absolute game changer. Whether you plan on using a chiller or you plan on using ice, the Ice Barrel 300 will help keep your water colder longer, which is absolutely amazing. Now, before I get into everything you need to know about the Ice Barrel 500 behind me, I want to let you know that there will be links down in the description below that you're more than welcome to use. You can use discount code MAUS, M-A-U-S, and it'll save you 15% off of these beautiful barrels if you're wanting to get one for yourself right now. Another really cool thing to note is I'll have a link for Ice Barrel's chiller pre-sale. And if you're like me and you're real excited about Ice Barrel's chiller launch, you're gonna wanna check out the other link I have down below that's gonna get you into the VIP waitlist for the chiller. So you're gonna know exactly when it is for sale, which is coming very, very soon. You're gonna know all the information before anybody else. So make sure you check out those links down in the description below. Are you ready to go check out the 500? Well, here it is. This is the brand new Ice Barrel 500, fully insulated, chiller ready. Very similar to the Ice Barrel 300 as far as some of the new features that you're gonna see and some of the new features that everybody loves, including me. I absolutely love the insulation. It is a game changer. Whether you're gonna use a chiller, which is gonna keep your water exactly where you want it at all times, or if you wanna use ice, it's going to keep your water colder, longer, which I absolutely love. Now let's take a closer look at it. A couple things you're gonna notice. There are stairs. The Ice Barrel 500 is made for ease of use, and that is one of the things about the 400 that a lot of people have had just some complaints about, is that having to use a step stool to get up and in it, and it seems like it might tip over. I've never heard of it tipping over on anybody who's had it on a flat surface, but it just feels like it might. You're not gonna have that issue at all with the 500. The steps are built right into the side, adding extra insulation to this barrel, which is absolutely awesome. Now, one thing I want you to take a closer look at is the top. So you do have like an oddly shaped rectangle. It's not a square, and that allows for a way more comfortable experience during your plunge. Now, when you take your steps up into this plunge, obviously there's a lot more stability when you go to get inside it. Now, one thing to note is there's a lot more leg room, a lot more shoulder room, but you do have a seat. It's actually a really nice seat. I sat in here earlier, got some nice first time experiences in it. I didn't film it, but don't worry, I'm gonna put some footage of me actually using it tomorrow. We're here at 10 o'clock at night after hours at WODapalooza with no lights on, so I apologize about the audio. I apologize about the lighting. I just wanted you to be the first to be able to see everything you need to see on this brand new Ice Barrel 500.
What are your thoughts? This is the new Ice Barrel, right?
It's the new Ice Barrel 500. It's sick. There's a seat. There's a lot of room down there where your feet are. Let's see if I can get underwater. That's gonna be the only challenge. Little tricky, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. This was not by any stretch of any imagination a full review of the Ice Barrel 500. That will be coming very soon, so make sure that you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and let me know what you want to know about the entire Ice Barrel lineup, or more specifically, the brand new Ice Barrel 500, and I will have a future video with a full review on that coming as soon as I possibly can. I appreciate all you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and God bless.